Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your PayPal account number. It's important to understand that PayPal does not use traditional bank account numbers. Instead, your PayPal account is uniquely identified by the email address or phone number you registered with them. This system simplifies transactions significantly and provides an extra layer of security, making it easier to send and receive money without needing complex numerical sequences. We will guide you through understanding this process. 1, 10, 12. Your primary identifier for all PayPal transactions is the email address linked to your account. When someone wants to send you money, they will use this email. Similarly, you can also use a verified phone number associated with your account as an alternative identifier. These details act as your unique PayPal account number, allowing for seamless and secure transfers between users. It's a straightforward method designed for convenience. 1, 10, 12. To locate these crucial details, simply log in to your PayPal account. You can do this either through the official PayPal website or by using their mobile application. Once logged in, navigate to your settings or profile section. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all your registered email addresses and verified phone numbers. Ensure these details are up to date for smooth transactions and account management. 2, 4. When you need to receive money, simply provide the sender with your PayPal registered email address or your verified phone number. It's that simple. Remember, never share your password or any other sensitive login credentials with anyone. Always double-check and confirm the recipient's details before sending money to ensure it goes to the correct person. This keeps your funds safe and secure. 1, 12, 14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.